Hi guys. So as this pandemic attack of coronavirus is going on, we all are getting bored at home. Me too. So I thought of making a video and show you some makeup. So right now I'm not wearing any makeup. So this is how I look naturally. I've got scars, pimple marks, etc. etc. So without doing any further discussion, let's go to the makeup section.
Yeah, I tell you what I want and what I really, really want. So tell me what you want and what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want and what I really, really want. So tell me what you want and what you really, really want. I wanna, I really, really, really wanna see.
So first of all, I have list down all the products in my previous video which I did long back, and so but today also I will show you the products. So this is the cleanser which I will be using right now to clean my face, and then it's time for the toner. So this is the toner which I use. And we will just wait for it to dry. Then I will be using this moisturizer. So I have applied the moisturizer. I will be using the MAC primer. So I'll be using it beginning of the makeup and then in the end too. And today I will be doing a very simple makeup, normally very nude natural kind of a makeup. So waiting for this to be using the foundation. So this is the foundation which I use. Use my fingertips. Again, I'll use my fingertips to spread it over before I use the blender. I'll just spread it over like this, and then I'll use a blender. Now I will be using the concealer. So first one is this one, and second one is this one. So this one we are going to use mostly near this region. Then we'll blend it over. Once this is done, then we will use this one. Powder, so I use this Studio Finish. It's really good. So my face is ready. Now I am going to do the contouring. I will be using this. I'll use this brush. I will be using this brown color for contouring. This color on my blush. Now for my eyes, we will start. I'm using the Maybelline Nude palette and this angular brush, and I will be using the color combination of dark brown and black because don't think so. My eyebrows are too dark that it will be totally black. So my eyebrows are done. Now for I will give a base color in my eyeshadow. So I will be using the color which I used for my blush, the same color. And put it below your eyes also. Now I will be using this nude palette. I will be using this color from this nude palette. Now I will be using this color. And in the end, I will be using this color. I will be using this brush for a tinge line of So my eyes are done. I usually don't use black kajal, so I will be using this. I won't be going till the end. I'll just go till the midriff of my eyes. Same with this. I'll show you another thing. So this one, this is a lip color, but I will be using this as eyeshadow. Portion. Then I will be using this. Now it's time for the mascara, so I use this mascara. I use the normal simple Lakme eyeliner because I think this is very smooth. I will be using this. I'm using this from Huda Beauty. Using my So yes, there we go, and at the end I would like to use the fixer again.
So here is the closer look of my makeup. This is how I did my eyes and the whole face makeup, and I teamed it up with a hairband. So do let me know how did you like the makeup, and I did it just for time pass, so I hope you like it. So let's see you in the next video.